Good evening, guys. Today I am going to cook mutton rogan josh, special request by Sarthak. So to make that, what I have done is this is what you need to make mutton rogan josh. So today I am trying with 250 grams of mutton. You need to take the same quantity of onion, and then you can have dalchini, long. You have elaichi, you have gold mirch, you have bay leaves, and you have 1 teaspoon of degi mirch, not the real mirch but the degi mirch. This is just used to give color. You need oil, you need some curd for this, hang curd, and I'll now tell you the process of how to start making it. First you need to chop the onions very finely. Okay. Take care of your fingers, you should not cut them. Now you need to take the chilies and you just split it like this. Don't cut it from the head. Just slit this. Now you need to cut the ginger. It has to be a julienne cut, so try to keep it as fine as you can. Okay, so now we have a julienne cut of ginger. We take half of it and this is what we do this will be used for cooking and the balance will be used for garnishing. Now we are cooking this in mustard oil, and if you take a mustard oil, wait for that color to change. It will change to almost white from yellowish. Now the oil is hot, so what we do is we put some bay leaves. We put all the garam masala in this, and we add the chili and okay, fine. So once you put all, immediately put onions in this. So I am adding onion to this. I am cooking in a wrought iron vessel, so it is important that you keep the flame low. Now this has to the onions have taken the golden color, which means it is ready. So it's time to add mutton to it. Now I added mutton. While the mutton is getting cooked, now it's time, the next ingredient to add is the chili powder, but we straight away don't put the chili powder for the degi mirch, and this is to give the color. Okay, I'll show you the color of the mutton before adding degi mirch, and you can yourself see the color once degi mirch is been put there. The next to add is the hung curd. So while the mutton is getting prepared, we will take about one large spoon of hung curd. Rather, let me take two, and so let's mix this hung curd so that it doesn't leave any lump in the gravy. So as I said, this is a wrought iron vessel, so you need to be really careful in managing this. See, the color of the gravy is white. We'll just see if the mutton is ready. To see whether the mutton is ready or not, you simply have to take a fork and press it inside. If it goes smoothly, which means your mutton is ready. If it doesn't, leave it. So currently it is not, so we'll have to leave it for a while. So we're checking the mutton again after 5 minutes, and seems to be well done. So you see this white gravy. Now it's the time when we add the degi mirch powder to it, and this is how the color of Rogan Josh will change. We will let it cook for a while. Yes, the color has changed. Now what we need to add to this is some salt. We will add 1 teaspoon and some salt here in this. And stir it. We'll again cover this for a while, and then we'll add curd to it. So now you can see the color of the mutton. It is turning red from what it was. Now this is the time when we add curd to it. We will add curd. And mix the curd well with the mutton. Let's stir it. Now the Rogan Josh is almost ready. It's time for us to garnish this with some more ginger. Let it cook for a while. It's time to see what is the final outcome. And yes, the mutton Rogan Josh is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.